In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best barbecue world discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for barbecue world discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called voucher discount, sorry, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. So for example, if you want to get this one with up to 15% discount of your first order, you can simply tap right here to show the promo code. And this is the voucher. You can tap right here to copy this promo code and use it in order to get that 15% discount. Also, we have right here this website, which is called withrift.com. And right here, as you can see, we have also some promotions that we can use. So for example, right here, if you want to get a 10% discount, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says copy code. And this is the promo code right here that you can use to get a discount on your order for next order is a 10% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.